The protocol, crypto spring is airdrop season with tokens from Starknet, LayerZero. In this week's issue of the protocol newsletter, we're covering Worldcoin's latest update, airdrop season, the new Bitcoin wallet from Jack Dorsey's company, and the data availability network Celestia's market-moving plan to plug into Polygon's blockchain development kit. Sam Altman, the OpenAI executive who was out then back in, is known in crypto circles for his other major project, Worldcoin, with its Black Mirror-esque iris-scanning orb. The project just released a major update detailed in this week's feature by CoinDesk Sam Kessler. He also managed to extract from the project's tech guru, Tiago Sada, a few nuggets on the project's pipeline of potential corporate users. We're also covering a spate of token airdrops free money. The new Bitcoin wallet from Jack Dorsey's block and Celestia's market-moving plan to plug into Polygon's blockchain development kit. This article is featured in the latest issue of the protocol, our weekly newsletter exploring the tech behind crypto, one block at a time. Sign up here to get it in your inbox every Wednesday. Also, please check out our weekly The Protocol podcast. Network news. Airdrop roundup. It might be the rally in crypto markets, or maybe just long-simmering efforts coming to fruition, but suddenly there's a flurry of blockchain projects confirming plans for new token releases, fueling even further enthusiasm among digital asset traders over the prospect for the free money giveaways known as airdrops. The list includes blue-chip names like the Ethereum Layer 2 project Starknet, whose foundation disclosed plans to allocate 1.8 billion STRK tokens soon. LayerZero, the interoperability protocol, which makes it easier for different blockchains to connect, said last week they plan to issue a token sometime in the first half of 2024. The Solana-based crypto staking project Jito released its JTO token, and according to CoinDesk's Danny Nelson, even small-time users were getting thousands of dollars worth. Camino Finance, a decentralized finance or DeFi protocol on Solana, is planning to launch a points program which could set the stage for a future token airdrop. Seamless Protocol, a lending and borrowing protocol built atop Coinbase's Layer 2 blockchain base, issued Scene governance tokens airdrop to users. As the Bankless newsletter put it, airdrop season is underway. Also, future of Solana's hype Saga phone is under internal discussion as sales figures fail to wow. El Salvador could rake in $1 billion Bitcoin per year with new Freedom Visa. Howard Lutnick, CEO of Wall Street bond brokerage Cantor Fitzgerald, is a Bitcoin maxi and Tether fan. Deloitte taps Polkadot Ecosystems Kilt, blockchain for digital shipping logistics. A team of Arbitrum and Horizon developers are proposing to build ApeChain, a blockchain customized for the ApeCoin community, using Arbitrum technology with ApeCoin as the native token for paying gas fees. Eventually, the plan is to expand the utility of $AP across multiple chains, with ApeChain serving as a hub. Bitcoin wallet from Jack Dorsey's block comes to market in more than 95 countries. Bitcoin includes a mobile app, hardware device, and a set of recovery tools, according to the company. Block/Business Wire Protocol Village, highlighting blockchain tech upgrades and developments. 1. Celestia, a so-called data availability DA solution designed to provide a cheaper alternative for verifying data generated from blockchain transactions, announced Tuesday that it will become an option for blockchain builders using Polygon software tools to spin up new Layer 2 networks atop Ethereum. The announcement generated ample chatter on the social media site X, as well as speculation in digital asset markets over the prospects for modular blockchain setups. 2. Nell Foundation announced the features of its new Type 1 ZK EVM, powered by ZK LLVM, making it the first ZK EVM with core components built automatically, preventing insecurities that result from manual circuit definition. According to the team, Nell ZK EVM is designed to have security as a fundamental feature enabled by its proprietary ZK LLVM compiler. The ZK LLVM quickly and automatically compiles high-level code C++ or Rust into efficient ZK snark circuits. 3. Beam, an open-source blockchain specialized for gaming and run by Merit Circle DAO, will now launch on immutable ZK EVM, a groundbreaking scaling solution powered by Polygon. According to the team, Beam is an ecosystem and a blockchain. We want to remain chain agnostic. Where we started as a subnet on Avalanche, we don't want to limit ourselves to the Avalanche ecosystem. 4. Decentralized exchange Uniswap, the fifth biggest DeFi protocol, has expanded to the Bitcoin sidechain rootstock in a boost to the world's largest blockchain's decentralized finance DeFi landscape. Uniswap version 3v3 has been deployed on rootstock by GFX Labs, the team behind trading terminal Oku, according to an emailed announcement shared with CoinDesk on Monday. Uniswap, originally designed for Ethereum, has also been deployed on the Ethereum Layer 2 networks Arbitrum, Optimism, and Polygon. 5. First on CoinDesk, Blocknative, a blockchain infrastructure company that cut staff in October after suspending work on a major business project, released a new tool to examine the mempool of pending transactions awaiting processing on Ethereum, an effort that could ultimately help to reduce instances of block-level manipulation and protect users from front-running bots. See the entire protocol village list from this past week here. Money Center. Fundraising's Bitcoin-focused project Babylon raised $18 million in an investment round led by Polychain Capital and Hack VC. Babylon is a marketplace offering Bitcoin BTC as a staking asset, allowing proof-of-stake chains to acquire funding from the swells of capital stored in the largest cryptocurrency. Digital asset brokerage firm Nonco raises $10 million seed funding led by Valor Capital, Hack VC deals and grants Nemata, a protocol that introduced to the world the concept of privacy as a public good and scheduled to launch early next year, has initiated the Retroactive Public Goods Funding RPGF program, allocating 6.5% of its total NAM token supply to acknowledge and reward the invaluable contributions of individuals in the privacy, zero-knowledge ZK technology, and related ecosystems, according to the team. Link Starkware distributing $3.5 million fees to developers in Devonomics program crypto VC Cone with Coinbase Lineage ISA acquisition in Australia. Report Data and Tokens Chainlink, the biggest blockchain data oracle project, saw a powerful uptake for its expanded crypto staking program, pulling in over $632 million worth of its linked tokens and filling up to the limit just 6 hours after the start of an early access period, the company said in a press release. Link CoinDesk exclusive, HCX, Polonix assets are 100% safe, says Justin Sun after $200 million hack Tether scores second lowest rank in S&P Global Stablecoin. Stability assessment DeFi platform Conic Finance's CNC token surges 50% as the protocol plots comeback after hack regulatory and policy. A change to the mechanics of BlackRock's proposed spot Bitcoin BTC ETF has opened the door for Wall Street banks, which face restrictions holding cryptocurrencies, to play a key role. BlackRock recently made it so authorized participants, a vital part of the ETF ecosystem, will be able to create new fund shares with cash rather than only with cryptocurrency. As highly regulated U.S. banks are unable to hold Bitcoin themselves, this setup would enable the likes of JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs, firms with some of the largest balance sheets in the world, to act as APs to BlackRock's ETF. China to verify citizens' identities with new blockchain-based platform KuCoin to pay $22 million. Exit New York to settle state suit. Ordinals inscriptions have generated $148 million for Bitcoin miners. Loyal readers of the protocol will recall our riff in last week's issue, headline Bitcoin censorship or just spam filtering. The gist of the story is that some Bitcoin purists are trying to keep the oldest and largest blockchain free from non-financial transactions, such as the text snippets and images that some people are inscribing onto the blockchain via the Ordinals protocol, launched late last year. The drama ratcheted up recently when Ocean, a new Bitcoin mining pool backed by Jack Dorsey and co-led by a longtime Bitcoin developer, the pseudonymous and feisty Luke Dasher, set up software that would filter out the Ordinals inscriptions. A lot of users of the blockchain, however, say a few people shouldn't be deciding how the Bitcoin blockchain gets used. Let the market decide, the thinking goes. That really amounts to a bet that Bitcoin miners, who ultimately decide which transactions to include in new data blocks and which ones to leave out, will choose to maximize self-interest or profits. And that makes them more likely to keep including these Bitcoin inscriptions because, why leave money on the table? The chart below, courtesy of Dune Analytics, shows just how much in fees have been generated to date by inscriptions-related transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain. $147.7 million. Fees in dollars paid to Bitcoin miners for Ordinals inscriptions. The green vertical lines legend on left show fees paid on a daily basis, while the black line legend on right shows cumulative fees since December 2022. Dune Analytics calendar. December 11-13, Taipei Blockchain Week, December 11-16. January 30, Stellar upgrade for Soroban smart contracts, public network readiness date. February 22-24. Bitcoin++, Buenos Aires. February 23, March 3, F Denver. April 2024 estimate, next Bitcoin halving. April 8-12, Paris Blockchain Week. May 29-31, 2024, consensus, Austin, Texas, July 25-27. Bitcoin 2024, Nashville.